Hello, dear investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in touch GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If you're interested, you can pause it. We propose to consider each parameter of the organization under study in detail. Now we will look at the main fundamental indicators of the company. Cisco Systems, Inc., ticker CSCO. This review was created using current information as of August 11, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets, company Cisco Systems, Inc. belongs to the subcategory Networks. 40 companies take part in the comparison. The result for the company in question is as follows: 5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.1 points. If you look broadly, within the market in general, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's 5-point rating Cisco Systems Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Cisco Systems Incorporated and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Cisco Systems Incorporated showed a 59% dynamic against the price dynamics in the subcategory 59.5%. Market capitalization of the organization Cisco Systems, Inc. valued at $284.33 billion. With a market capitalization of $693 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $45.94 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $96 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and book value, we see the following. Share Cisco Systems Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 41.041%. The book value is 47.852%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debts amount to $30.787 billion. Debt to book value represents 67% of the company's equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, total, 0 points. The company's stock price to profit ratio is 29. The average in the subcategory is 57.1. Evaluation of the stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $9,794 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $15.9 billion. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 5.1. The average in the subcategory is 5.3. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $55,630 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $77,000 million. Assessment of the indicators of expected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 17.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 9.2%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 30.566%, which is 34% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $3,145,000. And for the subcategory, $2,342,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $108,300, with an average in the subcategory, $41,000. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The share of sales per employee of the organization is $615,000. In the subcategory, $444,000. Revenue per employee rating compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions was 1.3%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.3%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 68% for the company Cisco Systems Incorporated. Whereas in the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 65%. The company's actual share price is approximately $71.78. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $73.43. Let's look at the order table. It is available. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities Cisco Systems Incorporated. Stock valuation reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open an order, as this video is an overview. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.